Hey there, besieged friends. We are back for another Ypsilon adventure, and I have got to let the Queen's fodder go. Let's head to the old mining site instead and see what's in store for us. So in this challenge, we've got to get these two big pieces of ore to the center area. So let's see what we can whip together using our main base, which for me is just going to be base small, which I double click to bring in. So it is a small light vehicle. Currently on the front of this I've got spikes. I instead need stuff that can push those pieces of ore where they need to go. So let's try it like this. Let's see if we can solve it this simply. I'm going to just take a pole and I'm going to attach it. And I'm going to attach it. And I'm going to attach it to the back. And then I'm going to give it a brace. And let's just try this and see what we can do. It's been a while since I've driven this kind of vehicle. I've been doing the fodder with my tri-roller. So I'm a little bit out of control, which is cool too. Alright, so I'm going to get my backward, pull back, reorient, drive forward, get my front end aimed where I want. Hey, that one has made it, so it was that easy to get that one into place. Back around a little bit, get my front end aimed. Look at that. Oh my gosh, sometimes the simplest solutions are pretty darn epic. Now there's probably 100 other ways to solve that, but that's what's so fun is you can fiddle around and try and figure it out. Maybe come up with something amazingly simple and effective, just like I did there. Thanks for watching, friends. Please, if you get a chance, click like. If you want to subscribe, click that awesome subscribe button. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a new movie about Besiege or all the other cool things we show on HLModTech, please click that notification button. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, friends.